welcome back. I'm Janice.
And I'm Yuna.
And we're so excited about today's video because we're finally introducing our newest project, the FaceTory Me, Myself, and I Refreshing Eye Cream.
Woo!
So say bye to those tired eyes and dark circles.
Yes, we fell in love with the formula. It's a gentle plant-based formula that's suitable for all skin types. This eye cream will help brighten, hydrate, and even out the skin tone around your eye orbital area. This product is ideal for people dealing with dark circles, puffy eyes, and fine lines or wrinkles. The first ingredient in this eye cream is rice bran water, which helps hydrate and brighten the skin. It also contains other key ingredients such as bifidobacterium lysate, galactomyces ferment filtrate, and peptides to help revitalize the eyes.
Yes, and together these ingredients help protect the skin barrier, minimize and brighten fine lines and wrinkles. And like our other FaceTory skincare products, this is a FaceTory clean beauty product, meaning no harsh chemicals.
To apply, squeeze a small amount to the tip of your ring finger and gently pat around the orbital bone.
And to find the orbital bone, gently press under the eye and find the bone that protrudes. And once you find it, pat in, out, and upwards.
It's also effective for other areas for your face where you struggle with hyperpigmentation, fine lines, or wrinkles.
Yes, and we're so excited for everyone to get their hands on this product. And we just want to remind you to check the list of ingredients for any potential allergies and to patch test the product. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, just keep glowing. Bye!